books to slay the prey in any nook. Granny cranberry, babble speech dictionary, airy knuckle fucker shaving with the razor from Suki Clarion. A man of breeding, well exceeding your target output. Future speech, I besiege your outlook, poetically blunt. Vasectomy cunt, don't you ever get lucked, cause you're bound to get fucked. 67 bucks, finger touch, scaly backside, well take, run a shit, photograph, archive all the time through the night. Minute chill, submitted, turkey, chicken, worm, food, worky work for my turkey poo. Turkey feet, motor around a TV tree, kitty scene, laugh the tea, laugh the wiki king, zookeeper on the beat, but eating up a cheetah for some cheaper late at night. I smoke him if he doesn't beat it right. All the people that we know are animals, but I'm mechanical devices and the license they can die anytime. Sitting in between the birth canal and incandescent tunnel is the chance to feed the wild side, feed the fucking right. All the people that we know are animals that have mechanical devices is the license they can die anytime. Sitting in between the birth canal and incandescent tunnel is the chance to feed the wild side. Stuff your fucking mind, gotta practice, glad a pussy pack a mattress, stacked up the ceiling speaking foul and captions. How many hours can we fit in a dorm before it's all salute similar offshore? Scoping front of winter sill, telescope, nerded skill, Americana surf song, thunder dive, people are real, they exist. Unless you can make pretend you're really all alone in power animal dens. I'm Jax, nagging,